The song Behold the Lamb by Kristian Stanfill from the Passion album Follow You Anywhere is a real straightforward acoustic song. We're just kind of chunking away. We have a little bit of palm muting, so if you've never done palm muting before, wise to check out the 101 section. You can just search for it on your dashboard. The electric guitar, also really simple, just a couple key parts, but we want to make sure we really nail those. So go ahead and tune up, watch the music video, and let's get started. Okay, for our first chorus, we're just hitting big chords. Real simple going through, real obvious. For the second chorus and the third one, like throughout, we go to this other riff and we just vary it depending. So for the most part, it's going to be like this. And the only thing that really changes on it is the ending. So for example, on chorus 1, we actually hold this one twice at the end. So it goes 6 times of 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. That's 1 time. So let's pretend this is the 6th one. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So that's that like second, chorus where we actually go into that riff. Now for the third chorus, which is actually on the chord chart, it says chorus 2 because it's the other one's same chords. For us, it's the third chorus, right? And so similar idea. This time though, we come in really quietly. You can see on your tabs there. We're just doing 8th note down strums, pointer finger on the 8th fret of the B, and we just start 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 to the E, 2, 3, 4 to 12, 2, 3, 4 to 10. Then we start alternating on 8 with a bar. Then up to 10th frets. And then that puts us right in position to drop down and this time we repeat that 8 times. You can see that in the tabs. And then we end just by barring that 8th fret of the E and the B. That's just what we resolve to. So I have tabs of both those parts. However, in the loop section, I gave you that first chorus. We call it chorus 1, even though it's really the second chorus, with just the full amount of repeats going back and forth between that main part. And then I also gave you kind of the quiet part, because that's the part you're going to want to practice by itself. Just that quiet part, and then it repeats the other one. So I left that out because you can always just practice that on the other section. It's much easier to even hear it when you play it along with the song rather than just listening to a loop of it. But that's it for this one, guys. It's a real simple song for us. We get to add some big power, and I think it works really well. Enjoy. 2 and 3 and 4 and... 2 and 3 and 4, behold.